Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically find your homepage tuner. What is it called? Feed tuner on Pinterest. So select accounts and more options. You can either go to home feed tuner or go to settings first. If you can't find home feed tuner there, you're just going to go to settings, select tune your home feed, and this is where it is. I was finding a haircut for my little brother, so that's why it's like this. And you can turn off all here, and basically in your home page, it's not going to show up like recommendations from the pin that you saw. So yeah, that is it for this video. It's that simple. There's like activity, interest, boards, and following that you can tune for your home feed on Pinterest. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.